Dear student, welcome back to the next lecture. In the last class, we have discussed the radial network and network reconfiguration. Today we are going to discuss evaluation techniques. The basic techniques used to evaluate the reliability of distribution system and applied these techniques to simple radial networks. The basic technique have been used in practice for some considerable time but are restricted in their application because they cannot directly be used for system containing parallel circuit or meshed network. रेडियल नेटवर्क के लिए कुछ टेक्निक्स पहले से यूज ली जा रही हैं लेकिन वो कुछ रेस्ट्रिक्टेड हैं जो कि सिस्टम पैरेलल और मैश नेटवर्क एनालिसिस में यूज नहीं की जा सकती हैं. Distribution reliability evaluation technique have been enhanced and rapidly developed in recent years, have reached a stage at which a comprehensive evaluation is now possible. There are four techniques: state space diagram, approximate methods, network reduction method, failure mode and effect analysis. The extended technique permit a complete analysis, a parallel and meshed system with or without transfer facility existing and can account for all failure and restoration procedures that are known to the system planner and operator. Clearly, the technique cannot account for unknown event, but the structure of the techniques is sufficiently flexible and convenient that these additional events can be included as and when they manifest themselves. The first technique is the state space diagram. This technique can be used to evaluate the reliability of a continuously operated system. Is based on the construction of state space diagram. Although this method is accurate, it becomes infeasible for large distribution network. जो large distribution network होते हैं उनके लिए ये मेथड इवेल्यूशन टेक्निक का यूज करने के लिए डिसएडवांटेज है इसका. It does, however, have an important role to play in power system reliability evaluation. Firstly, it can be used as the primary evaluation method in certain application. Secondly, it is frequently used as a means of reducing approximate evaluation technique. Thirdly, it is extremely useful as a standard evaluation method against which the accuracy of approximation method can be compared. Second method is the approximation method. The alternative method, इसका alternative method कौन सा है? The approximate methods. An alternative method to state space diagram is method based on a set of appropriate equations for evaluating the failure rate, outage duration, annual outage time of unavailability. By this we can calculate the evaluation by approximate method. Third is the network reduction method. The network reduction method creates a sequence of equivalent components obtained by gradually combining series or parallel component. नेटवर्क रिडक्शन मेथड के अंदर सीरीज और पैरेलल कंपोनेंट को कंबाइनिंग करके वी कैलकुलेट द इवेल्यूट द दिस टेक्निक. This technique has a disadvantage that it cannot be used to analyze a system in which the components are not simply in series or parallel. वहाँ पर इस नेटवर्क रिडक्शन मेथड का यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं. The network reduction method can be useful in practice, particularly in the case of simple hand calculation when extra analytical refinement are not desired. Last one is the failure mode and effect analysis. The alternative to network reduction is a failure mode and effect analysis. The failure mode are directly related to the minimal cut set of the system and therefore the latter are used to identify the failure modes. The minimal cut method and the reduction work will be calculated by using the failure mode and effect analysis. The formal application of millimeter electrometry is not always necessary since it is often possible to identify the failure mode of most systems from a visual inspection. These are the regarding the evaluation technique. Next is the interruption indices. The reliability indices that have been evaluated using a classical concept are the three primary ones of average failure rate, average outage duration, average annual unavailability or average annual outage time. तो reliability indices हैं that have been evaluated using a classical concept and are three primary ones of average rate, failure rate, average outage duration, average annual unavailability or average annual outage time. By using these primary three keys, we calculate the interruption indices. First is the customer oriented indices. This is a system average interruption frequency index SAIFI. SAIFI क्या होता है? Total number of customer interruption divided by the total number of customer served, by which we can calculate the SAIFE. Next is the customer average interruption frequency index CAIFE. The index differ from the SAIFI only in the value of the denominator. In this, what will happen? The total number of customer interrupted divided by the total number of customer affected, not a served. That is called the customer average interruption frequency index. System average interruption duration index SAIDI. This is the sum of customer interruption duration divided by the total number of customer. Next is the customer average interruption duration index CIDI, sum of customer interruption duration divided by total number of customer interruption. This is the average service availability unavailability index SAAI. We can say customer hours of available services divided by customer hours demanded. Last is the load and energy oriented indices, energy not supplied index, that is called the ENS. ENS is the total energy not supplied by the system. When Z, LA and UI, where LAI is the average load connected to the load point I. The average energy not supplied is calculated by the total energy not supplied divided by total number of customer served. These are some interruption indices which are used for the reliability in system. Thank you.